How to wash human hair wigs. Human hair wigs can be an excellent way to alter your appearance or safeguard your natural hair, but they need proper care and upkeep to stay in good condition. Washing is a crucial part of wig maintenance because it helps eliminate dirt, oil, and other buildups that can develop over time. Before washing your human hair wig, ensure you have all the required equipment. The following is a list of what you will need. Here are the detailed steps to wash human hair wigs. Step 1. Brush the wig. Using a wig brush or wide-toothed comb, brush and detangle the ends, slowly working your way up to the roots. Be gentle, as the wig can be damaged if you forcefully pull or tug on it. Step 2. Pour wig shampoo into the basin. Next, pour a small amount of wig shampoo into a sink or basin filled with warm water. Swish the water around gently to dissolve the shampoo and produce suds. Step 3. Gently place the wig in the basin. Let the wig sink, then gently swirl it in the suds. For the shampoo to clean every strand of hair on the wig, let it soak for 5 minutes. Step 4. Rinse out the shampoo. Next, thoroughly rinse the wig under cool running water to eliminate all the shampoo and suds. Gently squeeze out excess water from the wig. Step 5. Use wig conditioner. Focusing on the hair ends, lightly coat the wig with wig conditioner. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb and gently work the product through the wig while being mindful not to pull or tug on the fibers. Let it sit for at least 3 minutes. Step 6. Rinse the conditioner and squeeze out excess water. After that, thoroughly rinse the wig under cool running water. Gently squeeze out the extra water and put the wig back on the wig stand or mannequin head. Use a towel to gently blot out excess moisture from the wig. Remember not to rub the hair strands, as this can cause damage and frizz. Step 7. Dry the wig. Before styling or wearing the wig, let it completely air dry it. You can also use a blow dryer, but ensure that it is set at the lowest heat setting to avoid damaging the wig. By following these instructions, you can effectively clean your human hair wig and maintain its best appearance. It's crucial to be gentle and refrain from pulling or tugging on the wig because doing so could harm it. With the right upkeep, your human hair wig will stay soft, smooth, and lovely for a very long time. By following these steps, you can gently clean your wig without harming the hair. Your human hair wig will stay beautiful and natural looking with the right maintenance for many more wears. Hope you find this guide useful for washing your human hair wigs.